Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.